Joby, what is this? Problem solving.
Ah. In.
Whoa, giant to a maggot, big boss status. Ain't gon' lie, I really wish they would like a cabin. I ain't do no front and get my money on the back end. Yesterday's price ain't today, now we taxing. Way out the field, ain't no way out.
Oh, 4. All right, well, let's start with this one. Hey, Ange. Well, Matt's in the sheet right now.
Focus in the spreadsheet.
We're stacking the pallets based on what the items are, so that way we can see everything that came. Everything separated into like what it is on this. So, and we'll just restack it based on like what's there by case. We could like see there's a lot of this one, so it's not worth restacking. I'll just leave that on the pallet. Make 2.
What are you doing? I gotta get the work at it.
We're gonna get the work out in carrying boxes.
No, that's not enough though. I need to burn calorie, you know, calisthenics.
All right. Is this? No, this isn't done, right?
Basically.
These are all the
These
same?
are all the same.
Yeah, these are the same.
I see more
That's
of these.
different.
So Matt Folk, they're most likely a couple things on different pallets.
Yeah,
That's not for this.
Yeah,
I just put in like the notes if like we found out how many were on whatever.
Yeah. All right. We kind of up here because we just boxed ourselves in a little bit. So I'm gonna fix it. So we just organize everything because pallets come, if it's multiple units on a pallet, they come all stacked up and disorganized. So we separated them and put each type of item in its own stack, so that way we can run through the list and make sure we got everything, whether we got more of one, less of one, because they don't always ship the proper amount to us from these vendors. So then we can make our discrepancies if need be, and then go through and push the shipment into shipping. Got to go through everything. But it looks like we were supposed to get 6. We were supposed to get 6 cases of this. I have 20. Like I don't know where that came from. So I'm checking in with brains of the operation right now.
So for anyone who's confused, I'll put an analogy in place, right? So say you work at a Porsche dealership, right? And you got 1 million cars delivered, right? And you gotta say, okay, well, how many 911? We're supposed to get 25 911s. You gotta go to the back of every car and look, how many 911s do we have, and put them all in the same lot. So you're like, okay, that's the 911s, those are the GT3s, that's the Carrera 4S, that's a Taycan, that's this, that's that. Check, we got them all. Now we can distribute them to the different dealerships by how many we need to allot. Hope that helps. Is that good?
This is gonna take a while.
The fans missed me. Not the fans. The winners. The winners missed me. You guys aren't fans. Never be a fan.
Times 6 is 114. We got everything. Ten 10:27 at night. Coffee. You have any more caffeine, Doc?
No, I have water with a 9.5 pH.
We cranked out like 1,000. We have around another 900 units to go. Then we have 4 more allocations that'll pop up tomorrow. Everything's got to be done by 5. Excuse me, tomorrow. But UPS hasn't come, so we have 4 pallets of SPD orders going out. So this guy's gonna have a ruined day. That's it though. A couple broken units, couple broken dishes. That's it. Good day.
So, Kenny wants me to record. up.
Oh no, the monitor broke.
Wait.
I told you to catch it.
Status report.
Shipping out. Meaning we're going to take the boxes and put the boxes on the UPS truck. Shipment complete, end of day Friday. I don't know how many units we ended up getting out, but we pretty much cleared all that stuff that came in. It's all on its way to Amazon. 2 different pickups. We all had to go all hands on deck. We're a man down. Grinded it out. 10:30 last night. What time did we leave?
Yeah, like 10:30.
10:30, 11. Started up today at like, I think Matt started at 9. Finished at 4:30. Job finished.
For now.
Well, yeah, the next one's coming in next week.
It never ends.
More.
All right, so this is my David Bowie impression. Ground control to Major Tom. Ground control to Major Tom.
We got everything?
Fuck with the rest of the lyrics.
The storm.
No, wait.